Hey, what's up you guys? We got a 3D pen. This is a amazing, most popular drawing I've ever seen. This is special tools, and you may make the fixing and the cracking. If you want an imagination, cracking, technician, uh, building a house, whatsoever. It can be best inventor I was making of the stuff. So anyway, I take a look for the figurine. This is my figurine model. So let's see. So and this one is what it is called. It's a 3D printing pen RP800A. It's 5 volts, 2 amperes. So this is my modeling. You got we got I drew a Paris. So yeah, they're very exciting. I was a build that dream. I got the dream got true whatsoever. And this crucifix, so crucifix is, yeah, it's a crucifix whatsoever. It's very nice. It's a blessing. It's very good. It's very important. So this one is London clock tower. This is the most interesting. It's a dragons. It's a cute, very dragons. They have the spikes on it, so there's scale belly. There's scales. Yeah, I gotta fix it. It's small. This is a cute little one. So this face is so small. The nose one, there's a nose in the book pit. So these are wings. Looks perfect. So I can build a mid tower here. Yeah, it's so I can build tower and build here. So cute little ones. So look at this one. And the facing right there. There's a face here. And if you look here, yeah, this is very cute. So I like it. But I can make imagination. I'm so excited. This is very excited. So I'm very impressive. This drawing. So the 3D pen is very most popular, perfect. So there's no clogging, unlike the 3D printer has a clogging. So and for a while this is the related the 3D printer, remember. So but I control it in the back here in the controller. So this is a back and forth extruder, and this is a temperature controller. Same with the 3D printer controller. So this one is speed control, like a flow speed control. This is the DC adapter. You can plug in the power bank. I have a power bank there. So the filament, suppose this one I have noticed the plastic is getting outside. It is similar with the 3D printer. So the 3D pen and the nozzle, it came out to the filament, the melted outside. Yeah, not it should be the inside, but the melted is leakage. So no need to worry about it, because it's no problem. It's working fine. It's still operated. So anyway, there's no clogging issue. So whatsoever. Okay. So sir, so okay. The most invention, it's a called electric fan. Whoa, this is electric fan. It's supposed it's too bigger. I build like this, the 3D pen, the same side, the 3D pen. The 3D pen looks like I got a drawing the turning around. Yeah, but this motor looks perfectly draw in the 3D pen. So I gonna draw it. I was drawing like a past like a 2 days ago, or maybe 3. I can make 3 3 days to finish this electric fan whatsoever. um, yeah, the most interesting is I got invented. What's yours? Invention. What's like a car whatsoever. I'll make a electronic, a light bulb whatsoever. Yeah, that's like yeah, the motor thing. I build it using the 3D pen. Should be tracing up the light here. It's back and forth, back and forth. What's then I get it. I try. I tested it. It looks like this. Wow. It is just display. It is still vibration. Oh, look at that. The fan keeps spinning. This is a bit, but it's still vibrating. See that? So because already prototype, it's just for display. Of course, it can be displayed and decorated whatsoever. So you're gonna make an invention, electric fan, anything you like, imagination. So this is a game dream come true. So that's it. So thanks for watching about the 3D pen. So I hope you enjoy this watching video. So don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below and stay tuned on the next video. Good luck, bye.